It's day 4, the final stage of the Berg River Canoe Marathon, still a long 60-kilometre haul into Veldrift on the west coast. But after 3 days of torturous weather, it looks like the weather gods have finally seen fit to smile on the race, because the rain has eased up, the wind thankfully has gone, and the paddlers are going to look forward to arguably the best conditions for the home session into the finish at Veldrift. "240 kilometers and 4 days later, for the paddlers, the sight of the National Road Bridge here at Veldrift will be pure heaven to them. Day 4 has been a glorious day, quite unlike the 3 days that have preceded it, and the huge crowd that has gathered here in a festival vibe is awaiting the arrival of the front bunch, and of course with that, the crowning of the champion of the Berg River Canoe Marathon for 2015.
Yeah, look, I couldn't be happier. I mean, to win one Berg something, to win 10, well, I guess it's one for the record book. So very happy. Had a great race, 4 stage wins in a row. Couldn't be happier.
I think this has been a very tough Berg. I am so impressed with everyone who's taking part and doing this and finishing. Even if they haven't finished, I take my hat off, because yesterday was one hell of a hard day. Today was not easy. The wind's picked up. There hasn't been that much sun until now, and it is tough. And I take my hat off for everyone.